Good afternoon. I would like to start by thanking my colleagues of the AgBioData Steering Committee for volunteering me to represent the consortium, and actually for their help putting together this presentation. My name is Marcela Careita Ruiz, and this is the outline that I will be covering in the next slides. I will start by telling you a little bit about who we are. I will then remind you why it is important that we work together when it comes to data. I will mention a few accomplishments of the consortium, and finally I will tell you how to get involved. The AgBioData Consortium is a group of over 30 bioinformatic resources handling agricultural population data, genomes, functional and environmental data, stock collections, infrastructure, storage and computing environments. Together, we aim to improve the handling of open data by collaborating, communicating, and developing recommendations and standards. During this workshop, you will have a chance to hear about more or less a third of our participant resources. This is the organizational structure of the consortium. We have a steering committee that meets once a month, a part-time program coordinator, currently funded by the USDA, and members and collaborators, all of whom are welcome to choose one or more working groups to contribute to. In the plant sciences, as in many other fields, it is critical to acquire, validate, store, protect, and process data to facilitate scientific discovery and reproducibility. And that is where databases come into place. In other words, bioinformatic resources are key to store and organize agricultural data. One of the goals of our community is to convince you, our users, that it is critical that resources in agriculture follow the FAIR principles. The FAIR acronym stands for findable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable. I can't stress enough how important it is to make your data open and accessible, and that you can achieve this by coordinating with your favorite bioinformatic resources. We exist to facilitate your research. We thrive on your feedback. We need to know how to help you, what is working and what it does is not. And something very important, we also need your recognition. Please remember to acknowledge the bioinformatic resources you use in your publications. Cite us. That is the only way for us to demonstrate to funders that our resources are being used. You will hear from all of our speakers that how important it is that agricultural data is open and fair to truly benefit the research community. Among the major accomplishments of the consortium, we have a monthly webinar series, 7 working groups to focus our intentions on, and a dedicated website. We have also participated at key plant conferences and organized dedicated events like workshops or community outreach booths, and have submitted grant proposals to fund our activities. Here is a sampler of some of the topics that we have covered in our monthly webinar so far in 2021. All of which have been recorded and are available in the consortium's YouTube channel, and a few of the ones we have planned for the remaining of the year. Since our foundational meeting in 2015, we have tried to get together at the 2 major agricultural meetings, PAG and ASPB. We organized a dedicated workshop in 2017, which led to the publication of our recommendations for sustainable genomics and genetic databases for agriculture in the database journal. We have also taken over what used to be the Plant Genome Research Outreach Booth, formerly funded by individual databases like Ramin and MazeGDB. You can get involved with AgBioData by joining our mailing list, participating in a webinar, or joining a working group. You can also connect with us via social media or Slack. And to do any of this, simply go to the Community tab in the AgBioData site's homepage. At this meeting, you can also come to our booth and meet a representative for your favorite database. Last, I want to thank our main funders, NSF and USDA, which directly or indirectly have supported a wonderful group of individuals looking to move this effort forward. Also, if you are an AgBioData member and are interested in being part of the steering committee, please let us know. I'm sure Darwin might be very appreciative of a little more gender diversity in our steering committee. Thank you very much.